Hey guys! If you're seeing the Ask Gemini option in your Chrome tab bar and want to remove it, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can clean things up in just a few seconds. First, open your Google Chrome browser and look at the top left corner where the Ask Gemini icon appears. This is part of Gemini integration, and sometimes it can feel a bit unnecessary or distracting. Now, simply right-click on the Ask Gemini icon. A small menu will pop up, and you should see an option that says Unpin. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do that, the icon will disappear instantly from your tab bar. If for some reason it doesn't disappear, try restarting Chrome once. That usually fixes it. After removing it, you'll notice your browser looks much cleaner and less cluttered, especially if you prefer a minimal workspace. That's it. Super quick and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.